If you're like me, your phone is basically always out. You're texting, using your apps, checking your tweets, and even in the car you have this compulsion to treat it the same way. But you can't, because when you do, bad things happen. Oh, mother. You can mount your phone on the dash for navigation, sure. But is that any safer? No, it's not. It's bad. You need your eyes in front of you. You need Navdy. Navdy is a portable device you put on your dashboard with every mobile app you'd need to keep your eyes on the road ahead. It's a heads-up display, just like what commercial airline pilots use when they're landing. You hear that? Pilots use it. It's safe. There's a tiny, super high-quality projector that puts the UI on a transparent screen in your field of view, projected like it's 2 meters out in front of you, so you never have to adjust your focus away from your driving. It connects wirelessly to your phone on iOS or Android and has its own apps, all designed around the driving experience. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Ed. Just wanted to say I love you.
Okay, I love you. I'm making a video right now.
Oh, okay. I'll let you go. Just wanted to say I love you.
Okay, I love you. You use hand gestures and your voice to control it. Read new text.
Hey, bro. Where are you?
Reply. I'm right here, friend. Share my location. Play Sugar Beef. Ah, Sugar Beef. It's a fake band name. I made it up for this video. I want to introduce you to someone. This is Doug. Navdy is his thing. He's real excited about it.
It's really cool, and I think you're gonna want
Tweet,
one.
driving with Doug and Navdy. Feels like driving in the future. Send.
And I think you're gonna want one in your car too.
Feels like driving in the future.
The Airbubbl is the first proven technology that effectively removes more than 95% of both nitrogen dioxide and particles from inside a car. It's now well known that air pollution affects our health, especially those living in cities. However, what most people aren't aware of is just how bad the air in your car can be. Nitrogen dioxide levels, primarily from diesel emissions, inside your car cabin can be 10 times over the WHO limit. Sitting in a vehicle with your windows up in traffic is not the safe haven you might think that it is. That's why we've created the Airbubbl, the first proven technology of its kind that removes all elements of air pollution, including nitrogen dioxide, from inside a car cabin. The Airbubbl is optimized to protect drivers and their families in polluted cities, and professional drivers who spend hours on the road. Designed to fit on the back of the car headrest, the Airbubbl works by drawing polluted air circulating inside the car into the unit before our proprietary filtration technology removes gases, particles, bacteria, dust, and odors. Clean air is then released back to the driver and passengers in the most efficient way possible, using advanced airflow dynamics.
What we breathe matters, and at Air Labs it's our mission to reduce people's exposure to air pollution. Like most parents, I'm always conscious to avoid the high levels of air pollution found on busy roads. But what I hadn't realised is the levels of harmful nitrogen dioxide can be even higher inside our cars. Our research was a real wake-up call, as I realised the impact this could have on the health of my son and of other children. At Air Labs, knowing we had the only proven technology to effectively remove nitrogen dioxide, I knew it was our duty to develop the Airbubbl, giving people the power to protect themselves and their families.
The Airbubbl has been designed by our team of atmospheric chemists and airflow engineers at Air Labs in our research laboratory here in Copenhagen. It uses our proprietary filtration technology developed over the past decade. At Air Labs, we specialize in creating clean air zones for people. The technology inside the Airbubbl has proven itself inside of clean air bus shelters and in a clean air bench commissioned by Transport for London. During the past year, we have focused on creating a clean air zone inside of a car and on making the Airbubbl a reality. We have manufacturers lined up, and with your help, we can start protecting people with the Airbubbl early next year.
We're really excited to be launching the Airbubbl, and today we're asking for your support so we can start making a real difference to people's lives.
Introducing the Auto Cafe from Maverick. A great way to keep your takeout coffee and tea hot while you're in your car or truck. This mobile cup warmer fits into your car's built-in cup holder and is safe for all paper and foam disposable cups. The Auto Cafe has a precision heating element and 2 on-off switches, the on-off button on the top and one inside the device which automatically shuts off when your cup is removed. It fits all size disposable cups including paper, styrofoam and plastic, with or without sleeves. The Auto Cafe is so easy. Just position it in a proper car or truck cup holder and plug into any 12-volt power outlet. Now you'll never end up with cold coffee or lukewarm tea when you're out on the road. The Auto Cafe, another great idea from Maverick.